Mix Coca-Cola with soap and you will love the result. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a sensational mix that will surprise you. Once you learn it, you will stop spending money on cleaning products. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. To start, I have a 200-gram bar of soap here. We are going to slice it with the help of a slicer. The soap does not need to be of high quality. You can even use the cheapest one from the supermarket. Take a container and add 300 milliliters of water at room temperature. Add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps give consistency and thickness to our mix. In a pot or pan, we are going to add the grated soap to melt it. Then, we will add 300 milliliters of water at room temperature. Now, we add the special ingredient, which is Coca-Cola, and let it rest for a few seconds until it is incorporated with the grated soap. With just a few ingredients, you will have a mixture that can last up to 3 months. Take the stove over medium heat to melt the soap completely and turn it into a paste. Before continuing, I would like to know from which city you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. Mix for 3 minutes until it thickens. Once everything is mixed, remove it from the heat. Help cool it with a spoon and then add the baking soda that we had prepared. Mix a little more until it becomes a little thicker. Now, take some plastic containers and pour the prepared mixture into them. If you are enjoying this tip and want to receive more like it, write, "I want more tips" below. That way, I'll know if I'm doing it right. Save it and let it rest for 1 hour. After some time, you will notice that it will become hard. Now, we are going to test it with some pans that I have here that are well stained with grease. I'm going to smear my sponge with the mixture and clean. Something that I really like about this mixture is that it has an excellent grease cleansing effect. It produces a lot of foam and shine that leaves the surfaces like new. Watch the video to see it in action. The best thing is that it yields a lot and is ideal for all types of surfaces, from aluminum to ceramic. Today's special shout-out goes to Amber Colbert from Connecticut and Shoni Cook from Virginia. Thank you very much for enjoying our videos. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more tips like these.